Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make a milky, delicious bread at home. First time trying bread and it came out very nice and very yummy. Stay tuned. I'll be showing you step by step in which I made this bread. Okay, to begin, we will need our flour, butter, milk, sugar. I added nutmeg, milk flavor, then salt. Very important. Then into my dry ingredient, that is my flour, I added the nutmeg, the milk flavor, and salt into flour. Then I added my sugar. Then I go in with my active yeast. Ensure your yeast is very active. Yes, very important. Don't use the yeast that is not active. Very important. If you are doubting your yeast, just mix it into with sugar and see allow it to set for some minutes. At this moment now, it's time to add in my wet ingredient. I added my eggs. I go in with my egg, then milk. Milk is very important. If I'm making milk bread, added my milk, then I stir together. I try using my whisk as the whisk is not letting me make it properly. So what the next thing I did is to go in with my hands, then add a little bit of water, then mix it until it's very it's becoming solid as like strong. It becomes fluffy. The next thing I'll be going in with my butter to mix it together. What is butter bread without butter? Yes, you need your. I use margarine here, sure. If you have your butter, I use salted butter actually. So if you can use your butter, it's good and fine. Then at this point, my dough is almost ready. Then I cover it and put into a warm dry place to settle for like 30 to 40 minutes, depends on the yeast. Then I go in and grease my pan to get it ready for the baking. At this point, my flour, that is my dough, is ready. Yes, I punch it to deflate it. Then I added some flour, then transfer it to my chopping board. You can use your kneading table, depend on what you have. Then I knead it again and again and again. If like you can punch it, seeing people that make bread sometimes they used to punch the bread very well to mix it very important. I ensure that I mix it properly. Then I be cutting it into some shapes of my choice. You can just put it like this whole into a big pan, but I want it to be like a bounced bread. Then I cut it into some particular smaller shape. Then I roll it again. Then I mix it again, knead it again. I knead it. After kneading, then I transfer it to my baking pan. I transfer it to my baking pan. Very important. Yeah, ensure that you knead it very well. After doing that, then I still went back and cover it into a pan for like 30 to 40 minutes, and it rise again. You see the size of it now, it's double in size, in fact, it triple in size. Then I use my egg white, egg yolk as the egg mixed together, then I rub it on top of my dough. This will give it that golden brown. Yes, it will help you to give it that golden shining golden brown. After this, it's very important to grease your dough. Then I put it to my oven to bake for 30 to 40 minutes, depends on the size of the bread. And here it is, it's out of the oven after some minutes, and it's looking very attractive and very yummy. If you're a lover of burnt bread, I don't know how if you should not even try allow it to burn, but I love burnt bread like this. My bread should be brown. Very important, so that when you soak it into your tea, oh my god, you enjoy it. Let me know if you be trying this bread. It's very easy to make, I'm telling you. It tasted so good. I did not make my own, so it tasted so good. I like to settle for some minutes. I serve mine with hot tea. with hot chocolate tea. You can see how lovely and so fluffy the bread looks like. I just hope you love this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share the video, and comment. Also, click the notification button so that you get notified anytime I upload any video. Stay tuned. I will bring you the mouth watering meals to you. Thank you. Bye.